You want to clean faster, better, and wow your clients every time. Whether you're a solo cleaner or managing a small team, these pro tools and smart techniques will level up your cleaning game without burning you out. From microfiber magic to the S-Wipe secret and the eco-friendly must-haves, this isn't just cleaning, it's a system for success. So let's dive in.
In this lesson, we're zooming in on the essential tools and techniques for efficient residential cleaning. Whether you're a solo cleaner or running a small team, using the right equipment and methods can significantly boost your cleaning quality, speed, and efficiency. Plus, with clients increasingly concerned about sustainability, knowing about eco-friendly options is a must. Essential tools for residential cleaning. Residential cleaning may not require the heavy-duty tools of commercial settings, but you still need a solid toolkit to tackle various surfaces and situations. Here's what every residential cleaner should consider. A reliable vacuum cleaner. A good vacuum is non-negotiable. Look for one that's versatile and easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces. Attachments for different surfaces like carpets, hardwood, and upholstery will be helpful for a thorough clean. Stick vacuums are lightweight and convenient, while canister vacuums offer powerful suction and versatility. Microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are the workhorses of residential cleaning. They pick up dust and grime efficiently without scratching surfaces or leaving streaks, making them ideal for glass, mirrors, countertops, and wood surfaces. Plus, they're reusable, which can save money and reduce waste over time. For best results, color code your cloths to prevent cross-contamination between surfaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and living areas. Mops are essential for residential floors, whether you're dealing with tile wood or vinyl. A microfiber mop with a washable head is particularly effective as it can be used damp or dry and is eco-friendly. A wringer bucket will also make your job easier by minimizing the amount of water you need to squeeze out by hand. For smaller areas, consider a spray mop to apply cleaner directly onto the surface. Today's clients are increasingly eco-conscious, so offering green cleaning options can make your services more appealing. Eco-friendly products are non-toxic, biodegradable, and safer for homes with children and pets. Stock a range of natural products such as vinegar, baking soda, and lemon-based solutions, as well as branded green cleaners. These alternatives work effectively while also creating a safer, chemical-free environment. For hard-to-reach spots and stubborn grime, brushes and scrub pads are essential. Small detailing brushes are perfect for grout lines, faucets, and the edges of appliances. Non-scratch scrub pads can help with tough stains on countertops, tile, and stovetops without damaging the surfaces. Key techniques for efficient residential cleaning. With tools ready, it's time to focus on technique. Cleaning efficiently isn't just about speed, it's also about systematic, thorough work. Here are some tried and true methods for a residential setting. Top to bottom cleaning. This technique is simple but incredibly effective. Start with higher surfaces like shelves, countertops, and furniture. Then move down to the floors. This method prevents you from re-cleaning lower surfaces that might catch falling dust or dirt. It's especially useful when dusting or wiping down surfaces with a microfiber cloth. Room by room strategy. Working room by room allows you to focus on each space without constantly moving between areas. Begin with a dry clean, like dusting and wiping, followed by mopping or vacuuming for a final polish. This approach prevents distractions and allows you to address each room's specific needs. Two-handed cleaning. This technique is all about maximizing efficiency. Hold a cleaning cloth in one hand and a spray bottle or scrubber in the other. This way, you don't need to repeatedly switch tools, which saves time. Two-handed cleaning also makes it easier to cover larger areas faster, particularly in kitchens and bathrooms where multiple products are often needed. S-shaped wiping technique. When wiping surfaces, use an S motion instead of random circular movements. This technique avoids redepositing dirt onto cleaned areas, leaving surfaces spotless and streak-free. This is especially helpful on mirrors, glass, and stainless steel, where streaks and smudges can be very noticeable. Speed cleaning practices don't mean cutting corners, but focus on working smartly to reduce wasted time. For example, gather all necessary supplies at the start and work in zones to avoid backtracking. Spend a set amount of time in each room, and don't dwell too long on areas that don't require deep cleaning. Setting yourself apart, going the extra mile. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss a few strategies to elevate your service and leave a lasting impression on clients. Signature touches, add a finishing touch, such as folding toilet paper or arranging pillows to show attention to detail. Pet hair removal. Many clients struggle with pet hair, so investing in a good pet hair remover or specialty vacuum attachment can make a huge difference. Natural fragrances. Avoid harsh synthetic air fresheners and use natural options like essential oils, which many clients find refreshing and safe. Why tools and techniques matter. Using the right tools and techniques doesn't just improve your results, it streamlines your workflow and increases client satisfaction. Clients notice the attention to detail, and it's these small, consistent efforts that build a strong reputation over time. In the cleaning business, efficiency, consistency, and quality are everything. Wrapping up, with the right combination of tools and techniques, you're equipped to tackle any residential cleaning job efficiently and effectively. Make use of these strategies to not only meet but exceed client expectations while also protecting your time and energy. Next time you step into a client's home, remember, every tool has a purpose, every technique has a payoff. With these essentials in hand, you're well on your way to delivering exceptional residential cleaning services.